Now, welcome to Secret Kit. Today we have HP 820 G3 with a faulty USB. So the USB port is faulty, as you can see. There is no light there on this side of the USB, as you can see. So this USB port is faulty. It's not giving out output, and it's not reading data. So no data transfer here, and not charging as well. On this side, data transfer, and it powers, it charges phone. So I will show you how to quickly fix it. Battery is out. So this is the IC that controls the USB data and power supply. This is the IC. So let me zoom in so you can view better. So you can see on the IC Y718. So we have to replace that IC without wasting time. So let's replace that IC. All right. So what I have here, I have Y434. Okay. Same IC with different number. It will work. Okay. I already tried before. I tried it before. It worked. Okay. So let's replace it. So you can see some flux here, meaning some other person tried replacing that IC. So I'm trying to protect the plastic since I'm not taking out the board. All right, the IC is out. All right, so you just replace that IC now. So let's let it cool down a little. All right, so let's test it. All right, so plugging in charger. All right, the zoom is up. Okay, so let's test it. As you can see, the USB is working. On this side, it's working. So right now, You can read and copy out file through this Raise report now. Everything is working 100%. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.